Hey everyone! Is someone else's Apple ID still linked to your iPhone? In this quick video, I'll explain why it's essential to remove it for better privacy, security, and full control over your device. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Apple ID profile name. Again, scroll to last on the screen and tap on Sign Out. If the sign out is grayed out, then turn off the screen time restrictions first. And watch the separate video given in this video description and tap the I button. Enter your Apple ID password. And tap on Sign Out from top right corner. Choose whether you want to keep a copy of your data, like contacts and calendars, on your iPhone. Tap Sign Out again to confirm. This will remove the Apple ID from your iPhone. Go back to the main settings menu. Tap Sign In to your iPhone and enter the credentials for the new Apple ID. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.